When we work with a certain list of data, there may be times we don't want to see a part of the data very often. We don't want to get rid of it, but we simply want to hide it for the moment. If we want to hide here, for example, the social security numbers, since it is more personal or omitted from printing, we can hide it. Select the column first you want to hide and right click and make it hide. Select, right click, here is a hide. Now when you hide it, now we don't see the social security column. Here is a double line to indicate there is a hidden column here. If we need to unhide it, it's simple to do that. Select surrounding column here and right click and we'll make it unhide. Now it's back. Or we can simply double click the double line here and it will be also unhide. In the same manner, we can hide rows also. If Morgan, this employee Morgan Warner, left the organization and hide him from the list, we can simply select and right click and make it hide. Select and hide, so he can. If another time we need to see all our previous stuff, we can simply double click this double line here, or we can go to right click and click unhide. So double click, that's it, great. Or right click, so by selecting surrounding, make it unhide. So now this employee is returned. So hide and unhide feature are a great way to present our data.